Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make this easy and delicious one-pot chow mein. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. The ingredients I used today were 1 box of noodles, 1/2 onion julienne cut, 1 cup iceberg lettuce, half of bell pepper, 1 bunch julienne cut green onion, 1 sliced green chili, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1/4 cup ketchup, 1/2 cup oil, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon chili paste, 1 teaspoon garlic, and salt to taste. Start off by boiling some water and covering your pot with a lid. After your water is done boiling, add in some salt. After that, add in your noodles and cook them until they are al dente. After you're done cooking your noodles, strain them and take the water out of your pot. In the same pot, add some oil, onions, and bell peppers. Cook these for a minute on high heat. After that, add in all of your other ingredients except your lettuce and your noodles and combine them with the bell peppers and onions. After everything is combined, add in your lettuce. Add in your noodles and then mix everything well. Serve your chow mein with some soy sauce. Thank you so much for watching this recipe, and I hope I can see you with another one.